Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chili vinegar sauce updated. Start by sterilizing jars and prepping fresh chilies, vinegar, garlic, salt, and any optional sugar or aromatics. Chop chilies to your desired heat level, heat vinegar with aromatics just to steep, then pour hot vinegar over chilies and cool before sealing. Label jars with date and refrigerate, tasting after 24 hours to adjust salt or sweetness if needed for your preferred balance. Choose your ingredients based on the flavor and heat you want for your sauce. White or rice vinegar changes the acidity profile, while different chilies control the burn and aroma. Fresh garlic and crushed pepper flakes add depth, and a pinch of sugar or a splash of fish sauce can round flavors. Prepare your chilies by removing seeds for less heat, or keep seeds for a spicier, more textured sauce experience. Work methodically to make a safe and consistent chili vinegar sauce at home. Clean and sterilize jars properly, then simmer your chosen vinegar with aromatics long enough to extract flavor. Carefully pour the hot vinegar over prepared chilies and aromatics, letting the mixture cool before sealing jars. Refrigeration slows fermentation and preserves bright flavor, and samples after a day let you tweak salt or sweetness to perfect your personal recipe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.